It is another beautiful day as I welcome you to Menalights TV. It's a bit a word that will take a question on construction. So this morning I have a question for us that I want us to solve together and see how best we can go about it. So the question says, using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct triangle ABC such that the line AB is equal to 8 centimeters, angle ABC 90 degrees, and then the line BC which is equal to 6 centimeters. So after that, you have to construct a perpendicular bisectors of the line AB and BC and locate their point of intersection as O. Then from there, with O as center and a radius OA, construct a circle to touch the 3 vertices of the triangle. So that's what we are going to do now. So we take the distance AB, which is 8 centimeters. So I'll take the 8 centimeters from my ruler, from 0 to 8, and that is my 8 centimeters. So I'll stand on A and make an arc, and that's why I have my 8 centimeters. So the distance from A to B is 8 centimeters. From the question, you have to construct angle ABC, which is 90 degrees. That means the angle is on B, ABC. So the angle is on the middle letter. So we stand on B, then you draw a semicircle. So the value of this semicircle is 180 degrees. So for us to get 90, we need to bisect the 180 to get 90. So what we have to do is, you stand here, make an arc. You stand here to another arc. So you locate the point of intersection of the 2 arcs. That's where we have our 90. So you draw from here to the down to get to the 90 degrees. So we now have our 90 degrees here. Mind you, the angle is formed inside the triangle. Then from there, the distance from B to C is 6 centimeters. So what I have to do is stand at 0 and open to 6 centimeters. So I'll stand here and mark it, and that's where my C is. So from here, B to C is 6 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I have to join the C to A, join the distance from C to A. So this A, B, and C. The angle here is 90 degrees, and the distance BC is 6 centimeters. So once you are done with this, the question says what? Construct a perpendicular bisector of the line AB and then the BC. So to construct perpendicular bisector of the line AB, then what we have to do is 1, you stand on A and open more than half of the line. You make an arc at the top and another one at the down. So with the same radius, you stand at B, you make an arc to cut the first one, another arc to cut the second one. So the first one didn't go through, so you can go back and do it. So looking at this, the first 2 arcs intersect here, and these 2 also intersect here. So we are going to draw a line through to have our perpendicular bisector of the line AB. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. So we are now going to construct the perpendicular bisector of the line B and C. So the same way, you take the compass, open it to any radius, you stand on B, you open more than half of the line given to you. So you make an arc inside and another one outside. With the same radius, you stand at C, you make an arc, and then another one to cut the first one drawn. These 2 arcs intersect each other here, and this one also intersects the other here. So once we are done with this, we are going to draw a faint line through. We draw the faint line through. Yes, we are done. So looking at this and this, so the first bisector, perpendicular bisector, and the second one, they intersect each other at a certain point. This is where the intersection is. And the question says, name that point as what? O. So this is where we have our O. That's the intersection of the two bisectors. So this is the intersection of the two perpendicular bisectors, and this is where we have our O. So there the O now is the sector. Then we now take a radius OA. So we stand on A as center, and the radius OA. Construct a triangle to touch the three vertices. So this is the center, the radius OA here. So we are going to construct the triangle. We are constructing the circle to touch the three vertices of the triangle that we have drawn. So when you look at this, the circle have touched the three vertices of the triangle that we have drawn. So now we are done with what the question required of us. So first they say construct a triangle ABC such that the line AB 8 centimeters, the angle at B, angle ABC, 90 degrees. So the angle is at B, so we have the 90 degrees there. So the distance from B to C is 6 centimeters. So once we are done with that, you have to construct a perpendicular bisector of the line AB and then the line BC. So once we are done with that, we have to locate the point of intersection of the bisectors, name it as what? O. So with O as center and the radius OA, construct a circle to touch the three vertices of the triangle. So it will touch the A here, it will touch the B, and touch the C as well. So one thing I also want us to look about is how to find the area of a triangle. So once we are done with this, they can ask you to find the area of the triangle. So in finding the area of the triangle, you use the formula half of the base times what? The height. Half the base times the height. For us to find the area of the triangle, this is our base. The base of the triangle here is what? AB, which is 8 centimeters. And then the height here is 6 centimeters. So for us to find the area, so the area is half times the base times the height. So here we have the half times the base, which is 8 centimeters. Times the height, which is 6 centimeters. So our area is equal to, so 2 going to self 1 and going to 8 4 times. So 4 times 6 will give us 24 centimeters squared. So that is the area of the triangle that we have drawn. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Remember to subscribe to this channel, Menalights TV, for more updates. Menalights TV, when the sun rises.